Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce spaghetti. First, gather your ingredients: 8 ounces of spaghetti, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You will also need a large pot for pasta, a saucepan for the sauce, and a whisk. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Next, let us get that pasta cooking perfectly. Fill a large pot with about 4 quarts of water and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a rolling boil before adding your 8 ounces of spaghetti. Stir it occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes, aiming for that ideal al dente texture. This ensures your spaghetti will be firm to the bite, not mushy. Now for the star of the show, the creamy white sauce. In a saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to avoid lumps as it thickens. Finally, stir in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it is completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. With both components ready, it is time to bring them together. Drain your cooked spaghetti thoroughly, but remember to reserve about a half cup of the starchy pasta water. Add the drained spaghetti directly into your creamy white sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little reserved pasta water. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or black pepper for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.